So I just completed Elle's website words workshop and it was amazing. I've been in business for about 18 months now and I started on a shoestring budget. So did the website myself, did a terrible job, and I was at the stage where I was just so sick of it, sick of looking at it, sick of thinking about it. It was forever on my to-do list. And I feel like it was holding me back. I didn't feel like a real business or a real business owner because, yeah, it was just like, I wasn't proud of it. And so now that I've finished the workshop, I have a beautiful website that looks professional. And yeah, it just makes me feel like I'm the real deal now. Working with Elle was phenomenal. She's such a gun, knows like everything about copywriting, and she has such a fantastic way of seeing things and being able to twist your words, but in the right way. It was simple. It wasn't easy, but it was simple. It was a step-by-step process, and she guided us through it the whole way. And I'm so grateful that this exists because I needed to do something about my website. However, I didn't have the budget to do a full done for you redevelopment of my website. So to be able to work directly with Elle, who is so brilliant at what she does, and understand the principles of creating a highly converting website, it was just like such a no-brainer for me. So thank you so much, Elle. I appreciate everything you've done.